Hey everybody, Chase here with Everett Chevrolet, here to show you the awesome 2024 Cadillac Lyriq Luxury 1 rear-wheel drive model. This unit here is shown in Emerald Lake Metallic, and it comes with 20-inch wheels. They have chrome and dark inserts. They are going to have 265/50 tires, so you have plenty of room and beef to tackle the road. Now, the Lyriqs are 100% electric. They utilize the GM Ultium battery, and that battery pack is going to get you about 312 miles of range, although other tests have concluded that it can go much farther, up to 330 miles, but GM claims 312. You're going to be able to fast charge this in just 10 minutes, and that's going to get you an additional 77 miles of range, so that comes in clutch whenever you're running late. If you just thought you couldn't get there in time, well, now you can get there 77 miles in 10 minutes. That is amazing. Otherwise, it's going to have a max capacity of 190 kilowatts to charge, and to get to 0 to 100%, you're looking around 6.5 hours. Those are the most traditional questions we get about these, and if you have chargers at your home or at your work or in town, you don't have to worry about running out of range in this Cadillac Lyriq. That is one of my favorite features about this. You no longer have to use the unlock and lock button on your key fob, although you can if you want to. Once you walk within about 2 feet of this, it's going to know that you are here and unlock all of your doors and flip out your door handles. And on the rear of the car, on the trunk, you just down press the Cadillac logo, and that is going to give you access to the inside. You don't have to look for any hidden buttons. Cadillac makes this easy. So on the inside of this Cadillac Lyriq, you're going to get a 33-inch diagonal display system. It is seamless and curved. You're going to have your maps and your infotainment on this side, and you're going to have a customizable loadout of either your energy usage, your maps. You can expand over here, or you can just look at your speed and your kilowatt usage as well. On the inside, you can have settings. You're going to have buttons to adjust your settings with forward collision, park assist, basically anything. This car is loaded. All right, so that about wraps it up for the Cadillac Lyriq. If you're interested in this particular one in Emerald Lake Metallic, it is available for $63,135 on our lot here in Hickory, North Carolina. We also have other options. They include the Lyriq Sport and other Lyriq luxuries up to the level 3 trim. So check them out. We have about 10 different Lyriqs on our lot. If you're looking for something else, we also have Chevy Blazer EVs. We are going to be the person to come to for EVs in North Carolina. No matter where you go this summer, get there with Everett.